What's up? I just got this southern leopard frog right here, and he is super nice looking. I was about to start mowing the backyard, and I was getting trash out of there, and I saw him jumping, and so just thought I'd show you guys because he's being pretty calm. He was so fast. It was crazy. Hey, buddy. Alright, I'm just gonna put him right here. There's another bullfrog that lives over there in that gray potter, and I don't know if he'll be out, but no, he's not out. Alright guys, we're just gonna let this guy go in here and see where he goes. There you go, buddy. Are you good right there? Alright. See you guys. We'll let you know when I've found something else.